kids! Welcome to Starbeam Kids. Today, we will learn 30 fruit names in English along with their Hindi names. Are you ready? Let's start our fruity fun learning. This is mango. It is called the king of fruits. It is sweet and juicy. This is apple. An apple a day keeps you healthy. It can be sweet or slightly sour. This is banana. Bananas give us a lot of energy. We peel them before eating. This is grapes. Grapes are small and round. They can be green, red, or black. This is orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C. They taste sweet and tangy. This is pineapple. Pineapples are juicy and sweet. Their skin is spiky. This is watermelon. Watermelon keeps us cool in summer. Inside, it is red and sweet. This is papaya. Papaya is good for digestion. It is soft and sweet. This is guava. Guava has vitamin C. It can be sweet or a little sour. This is pomegranate. Pomegranate has tiny red seeds. It is good for our blood. This is strawberry. Strawberry is heart-shaped. It is sweet and fragrant. This is cherry. Cherry is small, red, and juicy. We use it in cakes and ice creams. This is plum. Plum tastes sweet and sour. It is purple in color. This is peach. Peach has soft skin. It is juicy and sweet. This is apricot. Apricot is small and orange. It can also be dried. This is kiwi. Kiwi has brown skin and green inside. It is tangy and sweet. This is coconut. Coconut water is very healthy. Inside, it is white. This is lemon. Lemon tastes sour. We make lemonade with it. This is fig. Fig is sweet and healthy. It can be eaten fresh or dry. This is date. Dates are sweet and full of energy. They can be dry or fresh. This is blackberry. Blackberry is dark purple. It is sweet and sour. This is melon. Melon is juicy and sweet. It is good for summer. This is sapodilla. Sapodilla is soft and sweet. It tastes a bit like chocolate. This is blueberry. Blueberry is small and round. It is tasty and healthy. This is custard. Apple. Custard apple is sweet with many seeds. It is soft inside. This is persimmon. Persimmon is sweet and orange. It is soft and juicy. This is cranberry. Cranberry is small and sour. We make juice from it. This is gooseberry. Gooseberry is very healthy. It tastes sour. This is star fruit. Star fruit looks like a star. It is sweet and sour. Great job, kids! Today, we learned 30 fruits in English with their Hindi names. Keep eating fruits and stay healthy. See you in the next video on Starbeam, kids!